Hello there, I'm Tina the Thankful Planner. Welcome back to my subscribers, and if you're new to my channel, it's all about planning. And this video is an unboxing of the Plum Paper Planner. This is my second Plum Paper Planner, and so if you're interested in seeing what I have in the box, then watch this space. Okay, well this is the second, as I said, Plum Paper Planner, and I'm just going to take a look inside and see if it's what I asked for. And I have speeded this up slightly just because there was a noise in the background when I was playing the voiceover, and so I've had to re-edit it. So I thought I'd just speed it up because I was talking a lot and you just want to see what's in the box. So let's get it out of the box and we'll take a look. Okay, so same sort of packaging as last time. You've got that bubble wrap, and I'm just going to grab out my accessories, the things I got alongside the planner. So I did actually get some stickers, which I think they came with it as a freebie. Yes, I didn't order these just came with the package. There's a little welcome card. And now I did get a sticker book. There was a deal on, and it's really thick. I noticed the inside of it's really thick, and you've just got these sort of little sleeves at the side where you can put stickers. So it's always handy to have these. I go through lots of them. So I thought that would probably take kits as well. So it's a nice size. And now this is a cover I've got for the previous one I got because I'm giving it to a male member of my family. So I thought this would make it look more manly. So I ordered an interchangeable cover. And this is the final Plum Paper Planner. It's exactly the same cover and writing on the front is all the same. I've just changed some of the layout. It was actually the layout that wasn't working for me, so I'll show you where. So these are good. This is just like ideas, plans and goals that you get in there, and here you can write your goals in like a September overview, and this is where it's different. So I've just got these long columns instead of columns divided up into 3. I think this will work much better for the functional planning that I plan to do in this. And yeah, so that's the only difference, is that I've decided to go with long columns. I did actually add some notes as well. I added a note page at the end of the month, and I also, so that's on every month, you get that at the end of the month. And then at the back additions I added was the budget, which I did think I had in my previous version. So I just got a budget pack, and I'm not sure how much this is, you'll have to check it, but you can customize these planners. They're fantastic for customization. So I think I got I think it's the blog. Is it the blog post I got next? Yes, this was the blog post. So monthly overview and what you're going to post about. I didn't get this in the last section, but I thought it'd be very useful when I'm planning campaigns for my channel. So that would be really helpful. And so I'm just flicking through and showing you the different pages, advertising, sponsors, giveaways and expense tracking. And then it's social media. Now I did have this in my previous version, which I really liked. It just gave you an idea of how many posts, a little bit of information you should be posting on the different social medias. And then you've got your intentions, what you plan to do, look at competitors and see what they're doing. That always helps. And setting some goals, overall monthly goals and daily steps to achieve your goals. Really useful, this little bit in the back, and overview by month, monthly planning, and I think goes down to daily in the end, and then campaigns and how they worked. So the rest is just lots of notes in the back there. You do have the addresses right at the back, and yeah, your address trackers, and then you've got this envelope and a clear plastic envelope too. So that's it really. You can see my camera on the reflection there. Yeah, so that's it. I really like this planner. I've been using it now for a few weeks, and I am just trying to get rid of that plastic so I can open it up like that. Yeah, and I'm probably going to take the plastic off because I think that that would work better for me. Anyway, I hope you like this unboxing. It was a really quick one because I've done one previously. And I just thought I'd actually show you my previous version, the one that I'm going to be giving away, and just to show you exactly what the difference is. And one thing I did notice, it didn't come in one of these hard boxes. My new version didn't come in one of these hard boxes, which obviously they're trying to save some money somewhere, so that makes sense in the market and what's going on at the moment. So let's just have a look. So I'm going to bring up my my weekly, and here you can see this is the only difference really, is that I do have the on my previous version I have got YouTube, Instagram, Etsy and other on those sections, and that was it. So what I've done is I'm just taking out the September because I have written some stuff. Oh, the August, sorry. Taking out the August because I've written some things in. I'm putting the new cover on, and I will be gifting this to a family member. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, click on notifications. Enjoy the rest of your day.